July 25, 2025, and this is phase 3, 5:30 a.m. class. As I finished my class, it's been such a wonderful day today. And the concept today was how to achieve guidance from Patanjali, Patanjali's wisdom in prana, the breath work, and how that guides and connects to the modern day neuroscience, the neuroscience about polyvagal therapy. The vagus nerve, that's our connection between our gut brain and sends those signals, communication to our head and heart brain. And how do we engage that vagus nerve? Through our breath work, through our prana, through our asanas, through our movement therapy. So centuries ago, Patanjali talked about the power of breath, how we integrate that breath to each flow, to movements of stillness. And the modern day neuroscience talks about the vagus nerve. That actually is part of our autonomic nervous system. And the ventral part of the vagus nerve is responsible for the parasympathetic flow. So bringing our mind, our body from a fight, flight, or a freeze mode of a crisis mode into a rest, digest, into inner peace, calmness, that is the role of vagus nerve. So Patanjali's prana work, pranama, translating into polyvagal therapy, that was the focus of today. To every movement, starting from sitting positions, we went into engaging our breath, welcoming each breath with words of gratitude as we open our heart, appreciate each blessed breath that enters our body. We connect to our mind, create stillness, and as we create that stillness, we engage our vagus nerve as we go into diaphragmatic breath work. And today worked on the 4 phases of breath. Breathe in, hold on a full belly, breathe out, bringing our chin to our chest, and then hold that breath after our belly and our lungs are empty of the breath. So 4-phase breath that was practiced today. And then we went into the flow that consisted of holding our pose, a diaphragmatic or full breath, and then when we move from one pose to the other, from one asana to the other, we engage the Ujjayi breath that is in our throat, that stimulates the 5th energy center, the 5th chakra. So that was transitioning between the Ujjayi breath and the full diaphragmatic belly breathing that helps to enhance our knowledge, our intelligence about our breath, enhances our spatial and emotional intelligence. It's been a wonderful day. Thanks a lot.